Today I'll be using my Mini 4 Pro, which I haven't flown for a long time. I've got my RC2 controller. Now this is my new one. Now I'm doing this all since the latest updates from DJI. And somebody did ask me also, has flying the Mini 4 Pro changed with the new update? So there's be a couple of tests in this, but the main test that I wanted to do, if you watch my last video on the Neo 2, and that was the advanced return to home, and this amazing abandoned museum, it didn't do nothing. It couldn't even get a home point. I tried numerous places, it just wouldn't work. Now, obviously with the Neo 2, you've got the LiDAR. Now with the Mini 4 Pro, you have got advanced return to home, but you ain't got LiDAR. But will it work in there? It's possible, but the only thing it's gonna know straight away is get the home point, because without the home point, it's not gonna work, guys. So I'm just gonna set everything up first. For those guys that use a screen record when they're flying, I use mine all the time, but mostly it's because of tutorials. But if you watch my video on this, you still have to turn everything on. You scroll down where the buttons are, wait 45 seconds, and then it will highlight itself, which is done already. So I now know I've got the screen record working. So that's put to the side. I'm waiting to see if we had a home point. Obviously we've got no satellites. Now we get this obviously with the Mini 5 Pro and the Lito X1, but we always got a home point. I'm just gonna take the drone off a moment and just see if it set its home point.
Take off.
Right. Okay. So, obviously, I'm just going to land it, guys, because it's next to an opening. I was opening by placing it there.
Landing.
It was going to do it. Because without this home point set, it's not going to work. And I did say on the videos that I'd done at the old abandoned farm building, it didn't work there. But anyway, we'll try it again, because I don't want to give up.
Take off.
We'll just raise it up a little bit, maybe. No. Okay, this is getting very similar to what the... interesting, isn't it, how drones differ. I'm just going to send it down there a bit. And I'm just going to land it down there a moment and just see if it will pick up a home point down there.
Landing.
Okay. We'll do it again. Take off.
Take off.
Nope. Okay, I'm just going to try it round the corner a bit. Okay. And I'm going to go around here. Sorry about the noise, guys. Right, I'm just going to go down here a little bit because it's not picking up nothing. Okay. Sorry about the noise. I need it on. It just. Well, I'm just going to land it here.
Landing.
Right. Okay. So I just want to check if it pick up a home point here. If it don't do it here, then this test's already failed.
Take off.
Yeah, it's not going to work. If I press return to home, see, it's just going to land anyway. It's the same procedure as the Neo 2 that I'd done the other day, so I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to turn the drone around and we'll bring it back up towards me. Okay. Getting cocky now, aren't I? Right. Okay. Just going to land the drone in a moment. What I'm going to do in a moment, I am going to show you, I'm just going to land the drone, come on. Doing my head in that noise. Okay, so it didn't work. So the advanced return to home in this place, like it did at the abandoned farm, except at the abandoned farm it did do the home point, but when it flew back, it didn't fly through those two doors. And people that's just watching this for the first time, what the hell are you on about? Guys, please check out all my videos that I've done on the advanced return to home. I've got loads of them. And what it was going to do was land on the roof instead of coming through the doors. So it's not going to work. I didn't think it was going to work. One, because it hasn't got the LiDAR, but also I was surprised it wasn't going to get a home point. So this is going to be part 2 of this video, guys. And what's it about is, when I did the video the other week with the Neo 2, it didn't do it. It just wouldn't fix its home point. Exactly the same as this one, which did surprise me a little bit, because I thought maybe this would have picked up the home point eventually, but it didn't. And I had quite a few people on that Neo 2 video saying, oh, it's because you had no satellites. Now, this part 2, what I'm going to show you is the Lito X1. It's supposed to be very similar to this drone. But I can tell you what, it's far better than this drone when it comes to that stage of it. And I'm talking about the advanced return to home, because you're going to notice it's got no satellites, guys. So I'm no tech person. It baffles me how you can fly a drone with no satellites. But that home point is most important for this test to work. So this is the second part, guys. I've got the Lito X1, because I've been here many times. I'm going to show you what I mean about the home point. You need the home point for this to work. So be it the Neo 2 or the Mini 4 Pro, they didn't work, did they? But I'm just going to show you what happens when you get the home point in a place like this. Okay. The drone's on. I don't think I heard the home point come up, because I was chatting to you lot. Okay, so if you notice that, straight away, as I took off, the home point was updated. Because just like I said, if you don't get that, it's just going to go out there and want to land. So I'm just going to take it out. I've got it in, let's have a quick check. So I'm using my older control. I got it on bypass, I got it on nifty. Obviously making sure I got it on optional. That's good. Okay. Let's get it out there. Oh, I just want to check. I did check that, didn't I? Yeah, bypass. Right. Double check in. Okay, off we go. Now you could put this in SIN mode, as I mentioned before. I'm going a little bit faster than I normally do. Right. Get past that corner there. It's a little bit narrower here, but it's all right. You can see I'm close to the wall, but that's fine. You've got that thing hanging down. That's fine. Okay. And then below it, you can see there's another obstacle, which is that wall sticking up. I think I'm just past that nearly. Right, I can turn it now. And we can just go straight out. Right, and then we've got the pylon cables in front of me, but I'm going to go around to the left. We're just going to go out and up. And now the satellite should kick in now. So it's all about, guys, the home point. Don't worry about the satellites and all the other stuff. Okay, so maximum, God, oh, didn't take long, did it? Okay, so we're going to bring it back in now.
Return to home.
Right, so what it's going to do, obviously it's going to drop down. If you notice, it also come up with adjust your antennas, but don't worry about that. I will put up a sign below, don't try this at home, because I've had people moaning about that. Obviously, if you're a first timer, don't try this, guys. This is just a test. Right, and it's going to should say, yeah. Press the C2 button. Now you will get that, which is good. Now, usually I go up another level, and that's even with the Lito X1. So if you're saving your pennies up, thinking about getting a drone maybe for your first time, I honestly recommend the Lito X1. The Lito 1 will not do this, guys. I've had a few people asking about that. I haven't got that drone, but it will not do this. Okay, the drone's already coming in. I should be able to see it through that hole. Yes, I can see it. Now, I can go down and meet this drone. This is the amazing thing about this drone. It's just... it's coming around the corner. Anytime now. There it is. I'm just going to stay here. I'm just going to let it... I don't want to stop it, because if you do interfere with it, it will just stop. And I've had people asking about that, what happens. And all it'll do, if you, as an, you know, for some reason you touch the wrong button, it will just stop and stay there until you take control. All right, it's turning around. I'm going to wave at it. Look at that, eh? It's just amazing. And it's back on the landing pad. So hopefully you enjoyed that part of it. I mean, I'm amazed how the Lito 1 can do that, you know, with no satellites, and it just comes back in. So I had a question after my Neo 2 video saying, why don't I fly from the outside, so I got my home point, fly in the building, go up through some of the passageways, and then press return to home. Now at the moment, I'm debating on which one should I use. I'm thinking about, I might use a Neo 2. If it goes pants, then I might use the, I don't know. You'd have to wait and see what happens on that, but that would be an interesting one, you know, because then I have set the home point. I mean, I think personally, all it's going to do, as soon as I press return to home, it's going to go straight up and maybe hit the roof. Or maybe it just stays there, I don't know. But that's what I like about doing these videos. And I also love getting your comments, guys. But the main thing is, hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit of fun, but also, if it's your first time, do not try this, guys. I've been flying for years. I do understand some things that can go wrong, and also it can get very expensive. So anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.